Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can open Lloyds bank account online. So for that you need to open up your browser, and after that search for Lloyds bank, and then just open up the very first link that you will see in the search results. Just open it up and this is where it will lead you to. And after that you need to make sure that you are on the correct URL, which is lloydsbank.com. And in order to open account over here, you need to go to products and services section, and here you need to know which account that you want to open up, whether it is a current account or a savings account, or whether any other service that you are looking for. So we will take example of savings account over here, and after that you will see that there are different products available even in the savings account section. So we will just go with the all savings account. After that there are different services over here like savings calculator. You can calculate how much savings you need to do in order to accumulate certain amount, and just scroll down and then you will be able to see different account names and different service account services by this bank, and just choose one of them as per your requirements. Like the minimum deposit amount is almost similar in all the cases or all the accounts, and the interest rate varies over here. So just choose one of them, and for that you need to just click on it. And after that you will be able to see a detailed framework on who this account is benefited to and what are the benefits and how that all works. So you can just go through it and choose the appropriate account for you. After that you can just click on apply now option over here, click on it, and then it will ask you whether you are already registered customer of the Lloyds bank. Then you can choose it appropriately, so I will just say no over here, and then it will give us that what are the different eligibility criteria that we need to fulfill in order to get an account over here. So the thing is that one has to be resident of UK for the tax purposes. If someone lives outside UK, then they can open up new savings account and go to the non-UK resident page, and over there you will be provided with further assistance in order to open an account in this bank account even after being a non-resident. So the person should be over 16 years old and able to declare that they haven't contributed to another cash ISA in the current tax year. And there's one more requirement for it, and after that you will also be required to submit the addresses of your last 3 years, your national insurance number, and after fulfilling all these criteria you will be able to apply for a new bank account over here. Just click on apply now, and if you are already a customer then you can just simply click on register and apply. And after that all you have to do is just follow the procedures and provide your details as being asked by this bank, and you will be able to open the account. And this is how you open Lloyds bank account online. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.